Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot. But before we go into any details, it's important we let you know that anything you hear in this video is for information and educational purposes only. Investing comes with risk. No matter how safe an investment sounds, there are risks involved. To read more about it, please see the description below. And if you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to www.incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for some free reports that we offer to our readers, and they get delivered to your inbox. Thanks to our recently completed acquisition, today's income pick, Golden Ocean Group, traded on Nasdaq under symbol GOGL, is now world's largest publicly listed dry bulk company. It reported strong second quarter earnings, recently renewed its share buyback program, and announced a cash dividend of 10 cents per share. Now, Golden Ocean Group stock may be down 7% in 2023, but that pullback might be a great opportunity, even with conservative Wall Street analysts providing a 71% upside guidance. John?
Yep. Thanks, Mo. Golden Ocean Group Ltd is an international dry bulk shipping company. It currently owns and operates a fleet of 95 dry bulk carrier vessels, and it focuses on the largest segments, which is Capesize and Panamax markets. Capesize vessels, which are the largest class of bulk ship, are used to transport coal and iron ore. Now, because of their size, which is twice as big as an NFL football field, they cannot pass through the Panama Canal. Instead, they need to travel around the Cape of Good Hope, hence the name Capesize. Panamax vessels, meanwhile, are the largest class of ship that can navigate the Panama Canal. They're not cheap. If you're looking to rent one in the second quarter, the daily cost was $19,083. The daily time charter rate for a Panamax vessel is like $15,600 per day.
John, I was reading that vessel demand is outpacing supply. What is Golden Ocean doing to combat this?
Demand for dry bulk shipping is expected to increase significantly through 2024. To meet the growing demand, Golden Ocean announced back in February plans to acquire 6 modern Newcastlemax vessels. They're the largest vessel that can enter the port of Newcastle, Australia, which also happens to be among the world's largest exporters of coal. The 6 Newcastlemax vessels will be chartered back to their former owner, which is an unrelated third party, for approximately 36 months at an average daily time charter equivalent rate of $21,000.
And thanks to industry tailwind, how did Golden Ocean do in the second quarter?
For the second quarter ended June 30th, 2023, Golden Ocean reported net income of $34.9 million or 17 cents per share. Now that's up significantly from a first quarter net loss of $8.8 million or a loss of 4 cents per share. Adjusted EBITDA, meanwhile, was $80.4 million, 47% improvement over first quarter adjusted earnings of $54.7 million. The company reported second quarter time charter equivalent rates for Capesize vessels of $19,083 per day and $15,617 per day for Panamax vessels. Total daily time charter equivalent rate for the entire fleet was $17,664.
Talk a little bit more about its dividend.
Reliable cash flow and growing fleet means Golden Ocean can provide investors with a reliable high-yield dividend when times are good, of course, and right now they are. The company reported a second quarter dividend of 10 cents per share or 75 cents per share on an annual basis. That works out to a current yield of 9.45%, which is well more than twice the inflation rate. The dividend payout fluctuates based on time charter equivalent rates and earnings, and it can fluctuate pretty wildly. It suspended its dividend in 2020, then reinstated it in the first quarter of 2021. And it's been going up and down since then, but the payouts and the yield are always large enough to please, I think, even the most discriminating dividend hawk.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. The world's leading owner of large-sized dry bulk vessels, Golden Ocean Group Ltd, continues to be a great marine shipping stock, taking full advantage of growing dry bulk demand. To that end, it recently announced plans to acquire 6 Newcastlemax, making it world's largest publicly listed dry bulk company. Already, its TCE rates are significantly higher than its break-even levels, which provide it with a reliable cash flow. The new acquisitions, new builds, and industry dynamics should help it continue to reward investors with share price and growing ultra-high yield dividend. That's it for today. We'll be back with another video soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.